I got another simple accessory for your Honda Pilot right here by Muslogy. The Honda Pilot has excellent storage space, especially when you lay down the third row. But one thing Honda did not address is you don't have a ledge here to prevent your groceries or things from falling out the back, especially when you lift up the gate. So Muslogy has your answer with this net here. So I'm going to go through the features of the net. It's very simple to install and why I would consider the Muslogy net. On installation, this is probably one of the simplest pieces you're ever going to put in your car. But Honda has these little tabs here, and they've got a loop on the Muslogy net that just goes over that tab. Interesting thing is, depending on how you want to prevent movement here, you can turn this way or you can turn it that way. And then Honda's got these little notches that kind of help that bungee from sliding around. Down here at the bottom, Honda has included a fold-down chrome hook on both sides. So you fold that down, and Muslogy has a little plastic clip that snaps right onto that. Hopefully you can see that. So not only do they have the bungee here at the top, but they've got a bungee across the bottom there. And there's the other factory chrome hook on the Pilot there, and then there's the top portion here. So this bungee here at the bottom is what stops some of the products that you may have in the back from sliding in and out. Another thing Muslogy has done is they've got two bungees here where you can open this up and use this as a pocket. So say you want something to be more secured and trapped inside the net here, so it's not going to be sliding back and forth. The bungees have a silver crimp here and there for both the top and the bottom, and they've got a little bit of it sewn into this edge right here. And on the sides, it's completely sewn in right here, so there's no opening, and the netting itself doesn't have an opening right there. Now, I've put an umbrella inside that pocket storage for you so you can kind of tell how it would hold your objects in there depending on what you're trying to prevent from sliding back and forth. And like I mentioned, if you want something to be more secure, just open it up and slide it in there, and then your umbrella is not going to be going anywhere. Could use that, say, for bread, chips, or milk, or anything like that that you really don't want to slide out this side right here. I've got the part number right here, and don't worry if you missed that. I will have the links in the description for this netting by Muslogy. Hope this information was useful or helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.